I'm Velizar and I'm 20 years old now, and currently I'm a student of HRC Culinary Academy. I'm here in HRC in the program Culinary Arts, where we're studying classic French cuisine and we're learning everything about the cooking life. I choose to study for chef because since a young age I was connected with sugar and chocolate. After that I found the academy, I made my research, and I decided that that's the thing that is my passion and I want to become a chef. My internship was in Maastricht, Netherlands. I was in Châteauneuf-Cannes. There I spent 6 months. It was amazing for me and I learned a lot. What's the most important thing? The organization in the kitchen and how the fine dining culture and the culinary story is working together and how the things are combined in the proper way. Yeah, of course I can recommend the school. First, the connection that you're making with the people, with your passion, with your desires. The second one is the base that we have, because everything is in one place. You have all the utensils, you have the knowledge in the library, for example, and the teachers around you. And probably the third one is the opportunity for the internships that develop yourself and your character as a chef, as a future cook. The most important thing that I learned here is that we have teachers, but if it's not coming from you, inside of you, it's not gonna work. Why HRC? First, because I checked the profile of the academy, the history, also the chefs, and I decided that for me, that's my place, and that's how I picked the academy. My personal dream is to develop myself as a good chef and one day to open my place. I want a fine dining place, at least with 8-course menu, for example, not big, probably around 25 places only. Make your dream come true and join HRC.